Hello, if you are on a skincare regimen and you are on the skin lightening journey like myself, I feel that this video will be very beneficial to you. Stay till the end of this video because I'm going to be giving you some tips on how to maintain your skin tone, on how to take care of your skin tone, okay, so that you do not end up having dark knuckles and all that. Like today now, I went out and it was very sunny. So what I did was I went out with my jab and I also have my dark shade. So what I do is whenever I'm under the sun, I make sure that I protect my skin, especially my face. I make sure I protect it so that it doesn't burn, okay? And I felt I should drop one or two tips because you never can tell who will be needing this kind of information, okay? So number one, when you are going out of the sun, you are lightening your skin or you are bleaching your skin. Make sure that you protect your skin because the sun is not actually too good for people who are bleaching their skin, okay? And protect your skin with a hat, a dark shade, and if you have a jab and all of those. And I would advise that you stay away from the sun if you can, especially if your cream contains hydroquinone. Even if your cream contains clobetasol, but hydroquinone most especially, the sun is not actually good for people who are using hydroquinone, okay? And even if you are using more than 2 shades above their normal skin tone. So if you know you don't want to have dark knuckles, if you know you do not want to have dark feet, if you know you do not want to suffer from dark pigmentation on even skin tone in general, make sure you do not go above 2 shades, okay? And then when you are taking your bath, most of us nourish our sponge instead of us to nourish our skin, okay? What do I mean by this? When you are taking your bath, are you the type that first of all pour water on your sponge and use your soap to rub your sponge and then before you apply on your body? If this is what you do, that means that you are nourishing the sponge and not your skin, okay? So in other words, if you want to have an effective cleansing moment, what you do is you pour water on your body first and then you apply the soap all over your body. Let your body enjoy all the benefits of the soap. You apply it all over your body and then lastly you now apply your sponge, a dry sponge, not a wet sponge. You now use a dry sponge and scrub you, and then with the soap on your body you scrub your body all over. This is another form of exfoliation. So you see that automatically we exfoliate without knowing every day because we take our bath every day. So this is the best way to use your sponge, okay? So if you use this method, you will see that you do not necessarily need to exfoliate with scrubs all the time. You see, in order for you to achieve an even skin tone, you do not have to break the bank. You do not have to break the bank. Good exfoliants are very, very expensive. So in order for you to still exfoliate your body, do this and you will thank me later, because this is what I do. I exfoliate, but I don't exfoliate with scrubs every day. It's actually a routine. It's like if I want to exfoliate my body, it's actually something I do. It's like a ceremony because it's not something I do every day. I can set aside one Saturday every month to actually do general body exfoliation. But when I'm not doing that, what I do is apply, when I'm taking my bath every day, I kind of also do a mini kind of exfoliation. If you do this, my dear, your skin will glow. Trust me, your skin will glow. So irrespective of whatever soap you are using, irrespective of whatever cream you are using, even if you are not using a lightening cream, if you use this method of washing your body, you will see that your skin will always glow. Try it and thank me later. Then what I want to say again is that I see a lot of people on YouTube when they are doing pro mixing, when they are mixing creams. What they do is they mix tube creams, they mix serums, oils. In fact, the skin do not need too much of ingredients to be able to glow, okay? What you need is sense, okay? Putting too much clobetasol and hydroquinone in your cream will eventually, your skin will eventually break. And I know that this is not what you want. So it is very important that when you are using tubes, when you are putting tubes inside your cream, make sure that you use tubes and oils with your cream, with your base cream, okay? Then if you know that you want to use a lightening serum, then use a lightening serum with your base cream. Do not use tubes. Do not use tubes and serums and all the in fact, you don't need all of those things. It is very important that you know the skin is the largest organ of the body. Applying all of those things, you are making your liver you are overworking your liver, and which is not good and can cause a lot of complications later, okay? And then how do you avoid stretch marks? Most of the stretch marks you see, they are not stretch marks that are natural. These are stretch marks that people get as a result of too much clobetasol, too much hydroquinone, and all of those things. So it is very important when you are bleaching, you bleach with sense, okay? On this channel, I am going to teach you the hidden secrets of skincare, the hidden secrets of how to pro-mix a cream properly so that you do not damage your skin. I'm going to teach you soap making. I'm going to teach you cream making, okay? If you know that this video was helpful to you, kindly subscribe to my channel, okay? Press the subscribe button, and also don't forget to press that little bell by the side of the subscribe button so you don't miss any of my new videos. Every week I give out tips on how to maintain a healthy skin, okay? You want to look good, you want to be beautiful. Of course, yes, it is very important, especially for women of color. But when you are lightening your skin, remember to lighten your skin with sense. I don't want to call it bleaching, okay? I love you all. Bye.